ICC Champions Trophy 2025, India and New Zealand set for epic clash in Dubai final. Dubai, United Arab Emirates, March 7, 2025. The stage is set for a thrilling finale as India and New Zealand prepare to battle it out for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 title at the Dubai International Stadium on March 9th. The cricket world is buzzing with anticipation as the two formidable teams gearing up for a highly anticipated showdown. India has displayed dominant form throughout the tournament, maintaining an unbeatable record. Their convincing victory over Australia in the semi-finals has solidified their position as strong contenders. New Zealand, known for their resilience, secured their place in the final with an impressive win against South Africa. Their ability to perform under pressure makes them a dangerous opponent. The semi-final matches provided a great spectacle and showed that both teams are in peak form. Opinions on the outcome are varied, with analysts acknowledging the strength of both teams. Many experts have noted this previous meeting between the two teams in the group stages and how that could affect the outcome of the final. India's consistent performance has led many to label them as favourites, but New Zealand's track record in crucial matches cannot be ignored. Reports from the Times of India indicate that India is seen as the favourite team to win the match. Experts such as Nasir Hussain have pointed out that New Zealand have the ability to perform under pressure. There is also expert analysis from people such as Greenstone Lobo that predict an Indian victory. There is also reporting on the fact that the Dubai stadium will be full of fans wanting to see this match. The pitch conditions in Dubai will play a crucial role in determining the match's flow. The performance of key players from both sides will be pivotal. The tactical battle between the two captains will be a key element of the match. The ICC Champions Trophy 2025 final will take place on Sunday, March 9, 2025 at the Dubai International Stadium. Cricket fans worldwide can catch the live action on major sports networks and streaming platforms. This final promises to be a captivating contest between the two exceptional teams, and cricket enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the outcome. Sports Bureau News Effect.